What is unoriginality of content? What are the things that cause this unoriginality of content and the solution to it? These are the three things I'm going to discuss on this video right now. Unoriginality of content are those content that you put on your page that is not yours. You went to somebody's page, carried the person's video and put on your page without reacting on it, without adding value to that content. Any content that is not your own, it is unoriginal. Many people, they will carry someone's video, they will just upload it direct like that on their page without any reaction, without adding value to that video. So once Facebook find out that you are uploading such video, they will give you unoriginality of content. They want everybody to be original. They want you to create your original content. As I am making this video now, it's my original content. So they want you to be creative. Why we are called content creators is because we need to be creative. We need to think out ideas and bring it out to social media. That is why we are called content creators. So when you're uploading videos that is not yours on your page, you will have unoriginality of content. Second question, what are the causes? Yes, I've discussed it. Uploading people's content on your page that is not your own. So the third question is the solution. When you have unoriginality of content on your page, the next thing you need to do is go to your videos. All those videos that are not your own, you didn't create them by yourself. You didn't create such videos. As I am making this video now, I am creating my own content. You didn't create such content. It is people's videos that are on your page. Go and delete all of them. From A to Z, delete every video that is in your page that is not your own. Delete them. Once you delete them, start putting on your own original content. As a content creator, you need to be creative. Find out ideas, put it together, and bring out on this social platform. Yes, there are so many things that you can start doing as a content creator. Find out the niche that will be easy for you. Either prank, either comedy, either tutorial, either lifestyle, or in either challenge. Anything you know that you can do, start doing it. Make sure that it's your original content. If you cannot do it alone, if you are living in a place that people surround you, you can ask them for help. They will help you in creating your content for you. Okay, so instead of carrying other people's video and it will be giving you unoriginality of content, it's better that you will create your own content. So that is the solution to it. What did I say? Unoriginality of content are those content that is not your own, you put on your page. The causes is carrying other people's content that is not your own, uploading them on your page. The solution, deleting all of them from your page. Once you delete them, start creating your original content and start going live. Start going live. Show your original face. Tell Facebook that you are not a robot, that you are a human being. As you're going live, steady, and creating your own content, that unoriginality of content, you will just wake up one day and see it no more on your page. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I love you all. Bye. See you all in my next video.